Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can manually power off your Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2nd generation. So to do this we have to pick them from the application and then click on the settings. Right now we have to scroll down a little bit and click on this icon to switch them off. Click OK to confirm. Take a look for the indicators. As you can see, right now they are not activated anymore and they are also not detected in the application. So right now when you put them back to the case, we are able to power them on after opening the case and just remove them, and after a few moments they will simply power on. As you can see, they are activated. You can find it on the indicators, and when you click on them once in the application they will be also connected. So as you can see, that's how you can power on and power off manually your Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 2nd generation. Hope you like it.